Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. I do one-on-one consultations, but this is just a little bit different. I do one-on-one consultations because I truly want to help people. I am a very busy person. My schedule stays busy because that's where I want you to be and more and some. I had a gentleman out of 300 consultations I've done probably in the last 5 months. One person I just could not really help because when I do the consultations, there's 3 tiers for appointments. One is the 30 minutes, and that means you pretty much got everything going on. You probably just need documents and what the documents are for and how does that help you in your business. The second tier was for an hour. If you're in the middle and you're doing okay, but you just need a little bit more direction of the platforms and what needs to be done, then that's a whole different story. Then you have the third tier, which is 2 hours when you just don't know what you're doing, and that's completely fine. I'm going to help you and hold your hand all the way through from the documents to how to make your business, where do you want it to go, the name of the business, LLC, the platforms, that's just everything. The gentleman only paid 30 minutes, so I only had a very short window to give him information. And what he did is he relied on the Craigslist advertisement that already has the SEOs that I sell. And by the way, everything I'm saying is on the mobilemechanic757.com, the mobilemechanic757.com. Though this is just a tool, but this is just part of what needs to be done. You can't just rely on Craigslist. When you have a business and I will go buy something as a customer, I'm talking about me, I'm going to go look the business up. I'm going to look at the reviews. I'm going to look at the quality of whatever people are saying about that particular thing that I'm going to buy. Amazon, Walmart, everybody does it. But if you only have a Craigslist ad, you have so much competition, they're going to say, why in the world, what makes you any kind of different? That's just part of it. First and foremost, you got to get the documents of the rules and regulations and all this other stuff. This is the first and foremost thing you must get. And this tells you about your warranties and everything else. And at the very end of the page, it literally has a mechanic lien on it and everything else you need. That's the first and foremost thing you need. The second form of document in order, you need the automotive release of liability. The customer has some brakes that you know are completely dangerous and they don't want to change the rotors, but they want you to change the brakes. Okay, have them to sign this. If there's an accident, God forbid, it's not on you. And you also put the information that they shouldn't be driving on their work order. And that's another conversation of where I get my work orders from and my prices and everything else. Then you will come to this right here, this document, and this is where you're going to get your advertisement at on Craigslist. It has it verbatim. All of my documents are Microsoft edited. You can change it to your business. And on the last 5 pages of the document has the SEOs, which is the optimization. You're just changing your state and your city of all the optimization, so it'll point directly to you. And there is an algorithm that actually takes time for it starts to pick you up, but you have to have these steps done way before you decided to weigh on some kind of a document. And I also was trying to tell the gentleman, in the meantime, you can advertise that you do pre-purchase used car inspections. Just need a diagnosing machine. You need to know how to do it. In the consultation, I would give you the tips on how to do it. This is for the customer. You're teaching them the body language, the questions to ask, and etc. This is for the customer. These are all documents that I sell. And then you have one directly for you because it tells you verbatim how to check that car out. And then, of course, you do. I would teach you about body language, and then I will also teach you about the machine, the certain things that you need to be looking for. This is, and I have other documents for self, ACs, misfires, fuel trim reading. They're all for sale on the mobilemechanic757.com, the mobilemechanic757.com. The point of this whole entire video is you can't rely on just one paper and say, oh, I need my business to run correctly. It does not work that way. It's an order of how things are to make it successful. You can't skip steps, and you got to put in the work, and it takes money to make money, and I have no problem helping you, but you have to listen to me. I want you to go from beer money to champagne money. So again, there is an order of stuff that you must have to make your business even better. And there's other platforms out there that I will articulate with you to build that reputation, to do whatever needs to be done to get you where you need to go, because I'm on your side. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for being wonderful customers. And I'm here for you mobile mechanics, and I'm also here for the customers. Thank you.